Well, hi everybody. Good morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Monday morning. A sun-filled start to our day. Nice cool temperatures, but not cold. Just a little cool out there. The winds are pretty light to start. Those winds will pick up a little bit today out of the... So they'll turn more south as the day goes on, basically, and they'll turn a little bit breezy out there this afternoon. Some of your strongest winds out here towards southwest Nebraska. Maybe a few fair weather clouds later this afternoon, but overall mainly sunny skies for today. This evening we are going to watch out west for maybe a couple of showers and isolated thunderstorms. Not a great chance, not really expecting much for a severe weather threat, but as this pushes eastward, the chances not overly great that they'll hold on. If we do see something hold on again, we're very hit or miss out there. So just a slight chance of rain and isolated thunder tomorrow morning. Now tomorrow during the day there's a bit of a frontal boundary right here that's going to start to approach. We'll have a continued slight chance of rain and thunderstorms. You see a few scattered about here and there, but as we get later into the day, 5 o'clock here tomorrow afternoon, there's that front right there, and that might be enough to trigger some showers and thunderstorms during the evening hours. So we're going to have to watch that threat close here. I'll back it up real quick here. And so anything that fires up, we do have a chance of some severe weather tomorrow evening. Then as we get later into the night, that will start to scoot to the southeast. Could be kind of a damaging wind gust threat right there. You kind of saw that little line, that outflow there. That's where that indicates some stronger winds out ahead of that storm there. And then late in the night, those will start to clear out of here. And so by Wednesday morning, we're looking at quiet weather returning to the area. So the Storm Prediction Center for the last couple of days, they've been highlighting our area with a risk of severe weather. Well, this morning's outlook has a slight risk of severe weather. That's a level 2 out of 5 risk for some severe storms out there, right there, 2 out of 5 in the yellow area. That includes a large part of the local 4 viewing area and then a lower end chance up here to the northwest. I think this area gets behind that cold front, so there's not as much of a chance of severe storms here. But right now, our main threats look to be damaging wind gusts exceeding 60 miles per hour, and then maybe some large hail over an inch in diameter. I don't think we're talking about a ton of severe weather for tomorrow, but at least some is a possibility. Our tornado threat looks fairly low end. I put it at best as a very slim chance of an isolated tornado. So that is not the main threat with the severe weather threat for tomorrow. And then as for temperatures here the next couple of days, we're going to be looking at some nice warm weather out there. Highs today and mostly in the 80s, including the possibility of some upper 80s out to the west and southwest. This is where your warmest temperatures will be this afternoon. Tonight we'll fall back into the upper 50s and lower 60s. That's warmer than this morning. It's about 10 degrees warmer than this morning for most locations. So a milder morning out there. A very warm day tomorrow. Most of us well into the 80s, maybe some upper 70s in the north and east. That's kind of iffy right now here. For sure, I think your coolest readings will be in the northwest corner of the state with this cold front making its way through. Might see some places get into the lower 90s here to the southwest. Tomorrow night, down into the 50s and lower 60s as some of that cooler air comes in. So not quite as warm for most of us on Saturday. High temperatures, upper 70s and lower 80s, although we are going to see a big jump then on Thursday, just ahead of our next cold front here. So let's take a look at that 7-day forecast. First, the next 3 days, quiet today, breezy. Tomorrow, breezy again, and maybe it could be just as warm, if not slightly warmer tomorrow. A slight chance of rain and thunderstorms during the day with a better chance coming in tomorrow evening. I think that's our best chances, the evening hours in the Tri-Cities. Shortly after midnight, I think that chance goes away, though. So most of our Wednesday looks quiet. Another chance of rain and thunderstorms Thursday afternoon into Thursday evening. Right now, I would focus the better chances towards northern into northeast portions of Nebraska. There's going to be a cold front that swings through our area here, but as you get north, more energy there, so that's where the better chance of rain and thunderstorms will be. And then as we get past that cold front Thursday, much cooler temperatures for Friday and Saturday. Highs only in the lower 60s, lows down into the 40s. A little bit warmer on Sundays. We see highs closer to 70 degrees, and in fact it does look like we'll start to warm things back up getting into early next week here, as we'll bring up the 10-day high temperature track here. You can see the warm weather the next 3 or 4 days, the warmest day on Thursday, then the big drop for the end of the week, and then slowly warming things back up. So early next week we'll start to get those temperatures back to near and maybe even a little bit above average by the middle of next week. So a brief little cool down for about 2 or 3 days there. But not cold, just a little cooler out there. Let's take a look at a couple of long-range models real quick here with time, since I have a little bit of extra time left. This is the European forecast model over the next 7 days here. So today pretty quiet, but we will focus on tomorrow's severe weather chances. Again, tomorrow, a chance of rain during the day tomorrow, but the better chance is going to come during the afternoon or late afternoon into the evening hours. And then that will clear out. Now, I mentioned the 2 main chances of rain and thunderstorms both Tuesday and then Thursday, but there are some other small chances here and there. Wednesday, a very slim chance according to this model here. Not a very good chance, though. Thursday, there's that better chance Thursday later in the day into Thursday evening right there. But right now I think the focus is better to the north and to the northeast. And then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the chances are very slim. Right now there are some very minimal chances. I'm not going to say it's going to be completely dry, but the chances don't look that great. Here's the GFS forecast model. There's that chance tomorrow, with the best chance coming tomorrow evening. So there's during the day tomorrow. Better chances tomorrow late in the day into tomorrow evening. Most of your Wednesday quiet with just the slim chance, and then a better chance on Thursday, but this model doesn't have much right now. It keeps it all to our north and to our northeast. And after that, this one does have a good chance on Saturday here. I'm not too confident in that right now, which is why I didn't include it in our forecast. And then Sunday, dry weather there. But we'll be on the cooler side of things heading through the weekend the way it looks right now before we do, again, start to warm up next week. I'll bring up that 10-day forecast one more time as you see those temperatures do start to warm up next Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So there you go. There's your forecast for today. I want to thank you all for watching. I'll see you all again on Tuesday morning. Until then, take care. Enjoy Monday. It should be a nice one out there for today. God bless. Bye.